Assalamu alaikum everyone. Last time in primary 1 we had discussed about the chapter The Almighty Allah. Who is Allah? Allah the Almighty is our master who has created us. He has created our parents, our brothers, sisters, human beings and all the living things. Allah the Almighty has created so many things. He has created the sun, the moon, the sky, the stars, the clouds, the ocean, fruits, vegetables, flowers, birds, animals, fishes, mountains, rivers. We can see the beauty of the wonderful nature which is created by Allah the Almighty around us. Allah the Almighty is the master of the universe. Everything in this world happens by the order of Allah the Almighty. He has not been created by anyone. He has always existed and will always exist. He has always been there and he will always be there. He is everywhere and knows everything. We cannot keep anything secret from him. So if we make a mistake, we should ask immediately for his forgiveness. He loves to forgive and forgives those who ask for his forgiveness, as he is very merciful. Allah the Almighty says in the Holy Quran, "Verily he is the only one who forgives, accepts repentance, the most merciful." So whenever we are in any difficulty, we should ask Allah the Almighty for his help and we should only worship him. So there are 99 names of Allah the Almighty and they are known as Asma'ul Husna. Asma'ul Husna means beautiful names. And each of these names of Allah the Almighty, they describe his different qualities. So this was the discussion last time. So this is the index. Last time I had told you to do question number 1 and question number 1 in the class, and then an activity was given to you for your homework. So this is the question number 1 which we did in the class. Who created us all? The answer is Allah the Almighty has created us all. So this is the question number 1 which we did in the class last time, and then I had given you the activity. So this was the activity which is given on page number 13 in your book, and you had to paste 6 pictures of the things which are created by Allah the Almighty. So I hope you have completed this work. In today's class we did 2 questions, question number 2 and question number 3. Question number 2 is, by whose orders do things happen in this world? So the answer is by the order of Allah the Almighty. Question number 3 is, when we have any problem or difficulty, who should we ask for help? So the answer is, we should ask Allah the Almighty for his help. So these are the 2 questions which we did in the class today. That is all. Thank you and Jazakallah.